I'm going to give you a review of the magnetic mount that I bought from Walmart. This is a mount for my phone that I'm going to use in my truck. This is what comes in the package. You have the cleaning pad, and you also have this part that you put on your phone so that you can take it off easily. And then you got a large magnet and a small magnet. I'm going to put the small magnet here on my phone. This right here is the part that mounts to the truck or the panel. And instructions is on the back on what you need to do. Okay, I'm gonna mount it right here by my radio. First, you clean it with the alcohol pad. Wait a couple of minutes and let it dry. Okay, you see I mounted it right there, and you can loosen or tighten the swivel however you want. And like I said, I put the small magnet on my phone. You see, it holds really good. So this thing, it works great.